Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Genius. Today we are going to start with something new. We have already covered chapter number 1, that was knowing our numbers. Today we are going to start with chapter number 2, that is whole numbers. You must be wondering why I have made all the apples on the board. Now the basic thing that we always hear, that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but here I am not telling you something related to health, but we are going to do something with this. Now the apples which are there on the screen, I want everybody to count those apples. When we are counting, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are basically counting apples. So when I am counting, I am using the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now what are these? It does not last. Here there are only 10 apples, but if I make more, then it can go so on and on and on. So once we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are called numbers. Now these are counting numbers. Now what do you mean by counting numbers? Counting numbers are the numbers through which we count. We have even learnt it from in the chapter knowing our numbers. Counting numbers are the numbers that always starts from 1. So counting numbers are also known as the very important topic of this chapter, that is natural numbers. So counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. So natural numbers, always remember, natural numbers starts from 1, so on, 1, 2, 3, 4, it does not end, it is endless. There is no limit to natural numbers. Now the first thing that you have heard in this topic is natural numbers. All the counting numbers that we start from 1, that are called natural numbers, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let us move ahead with the topic. Okay, when we were talking about the topic, the first thing that you heard is natural numbers. The natural numbers are those numbers which are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. It does not has a limit. Now when we talk about the other set of number, now what if I say how many apples are there on the board? Now you must be wondering, what am I asking? There are no apples, still I am asking how many apples are there in the board. When there is nothing on the board and still we need to count, how do we start? I can say there are, what is this? Oh, no, this is 0. So I can say there are 0 apples on the board. So when I use the term 0 along with all natural numbers, that is if I start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, this set of numbers, in 0 plus all the natural numbers, are known as whole numbers. Whole का मतलब होता है सारे. अब सारे का मतलब, if you are a bit confused with it, तो if we talk about the other whole, HOLE, whole मतलब there is a hole inside the sheet, that means एक छेद है. तो whole भी ऐसे ही होता है ना. So जब भी याद रखना हो कि whole numbers क्या होते हैं, whole numbers are the numbers that starts from 0 and it includes all the natural numbers, so on and so forth. So starting is 0 but there is no ending to the whole numbers. When we talk about natural numbers, now all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Listen to the statement very carefully. I am telling all the natural numbers, this category of natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. What does this mean? Again listen to it. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. अब जब हम whole numbers लिखते हैं तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. जब हम natural numbers लिखते हैं तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and like this. अब देखो, जो हमारे whole numbers हैं और ये हमारे natural numbers हैं. अब सारे natural numbers जो हैं वो आपके whole numbers में आ रहे हैं. Yes. बट क्या सारे होल नंबर्स आपके नेचुरल नंबर में आ रहे हैं? नो. सो ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आर होल नंबर्स, बट होल नंबर्स में कौन सा नंबर आता है जो नेचुरल नंबर में नहीं होता? जीरो. सो जीरो इज द होल नंबर दैट इज नॉट कमिंग इन द स्टेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स. अगर वो आता तो इटसेल्फ विल बिकम अ होल नंबर. सो रिमेंबर, ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आर होल नंबर्स, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Now, second most important thing when we deal about natural numbers and whole numbers is, these are all what do you say, terminologies question that basically comes in the form of true and false and sometimes one word also. When we talk about natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now remember the term which I said you, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers. There is no limit to both these numbers. Natural number also does not has a limit. It starts from 1 but it is endless. Whole numbers also starts from 0, it is endless. So when we talk about the difference, the only difference is it has 0 in it and it does not has 0 in it. So now the next point is, always remember that all the natural numbers have a predecessor. Now the topic predecessor and successor. These two are very important topics in relation to whole numbers and natural numbers. Predecessor का मतलब होता है पीछे, यानी कि back, -1. Successor का मतलब होता है +1. आपको सक्सेस कब मिलेगी? जब आप आगे जाओगे. आगे जाना मतलब you keep on adding. Previous मतलब पीछे जाना. पीछे जाना मतलब minus. If I say what is the predecessor of 3? 3 से एक पीछे क्या होता है? 2. 3 का सक्सेसर क्या होता है? यानी कि +1, that is 4. So these are the basic terms that you are already aware about. But now let us do these terms in successor in this whole number and natural numbers. If I say the predecessor of natural number 2, predecessor of natural number 2, natural number 2 का predecessor क्या होगा? 1. Successor of natural number 2 क्या होगा? 3. If I change my question, what is the predecessor of natural number 1? अब natural number 1 का predecessor क्या है? इसके बाद यहाँ पे कोई नंबर है? क्योंकि natural numbers always starts from 1, तो 1 का कोई predecessor ही नहीं है. तो natural number 1 का no predecessor. ये याद रखना. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम 1 का तो predecessor 0 होता है, बट वो कब होगा? जब हम whole numbers की बात करेंगे. अभी हम नेचुरल नंबर्स की बात करें. नेचुरल नंबर में नो प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ 1, बट देयर इज अ सक्सेसर ऑफ 1, दैट इज 2. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज द प्रीडिसेसर ऑफ होल नंबर 1, अब अगर हम होल नंबर 1 की बात करें तो उसका प्रीडिसेसर क्या है? 0. एंड व्हाट इज द सक्सेसर ऑफ होल नंबर 1? दैट इज 2. सो कौन से नेचुरल नंबर का कोई प्रीडिसेसर नहीं होता? 1. एंड कौन से होल नंबर का कोई प्रीडिसेसर नहीं होगा? 0 के पीछे कोई नंबर है? नो. सो 0 से पहले कोई नंबर नहीं आता. सो 0 होल नंबर 0 का भी कोई प्रीडिसेसर नहीं होगा. रिमेंबर, नेचुरल नंबर 1 का प्रीडिसेसर नहीं है, बट होल नंबर 1 का प्रीडिसेसर है. सो यू हैव लर्नड अबाउट द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ होल नंबर्स. व्हाट आर होल नंबर्स? होल नंबर्स मीन्स 0 including all the natural numbers. 0 along with all natural numbers forms the category of whole numbers. Natural numbers are all counting numbers that starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and like this. Whole numbers are the set of numbers which starts from 0 including all the natural numbers. We have done predecessor and successor. In detail we are going to do it in the next class. But remember that natural number 1 का कोई predecessor नहीं होता है. होल नंबर 1 का प्रीडिसेसर होता है. That's all for this class. But if this video has helped you out to understand the concept of whole numbers and natural numbers, now do like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.